Oh my god. Holy sh**.
This video was captured by a citizen's dashcam at a signalized intersection in Mounds View, Minnesota on Friday, January 2, 2026, just before 4:30 p.m. The driver recording is stopped in a turn lane, waiting at a red light. Multiple emergency vehicles pass through the intersection with lights and sirens activated. As a Ramsey County Sheriff's Office squad enters the intersection northbound, the traffic signal controlling that direction appears to be red. At the same moment, a white sedan enters from the east, also on a red signal. The two vehicles collide in the middle of the intersection. The squad SUV continues into the median. The civilian vehicle spins out of control and comes to rest against another car that was legally stopped. Intersections are among the most dangerous places for emergency responses, especially when speed, visibility, and signal timing intersect. Even with lights, sirens, and traffic signal preemption systems, red lights still mean cross-traffic may be moving. This crash raises questions about emergency driving practices, not just in this moment, but as part of a broader pattern. High-risk responses don't only endanger civilians. They also put deputies themselves at risk. According to EMS radio traffic, no serious injuries were reported here. But this footage shows how quickly an emergency response can become another emergency, with consequences for everyone in the intersection.